it's your girl Devonna Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. I am here with another video for you today. As you all know, we are entering the holiday season and our favorite stores are having little different gift samplers and advent calendars and everything. And your girl went in Sephora and she picked up this candle sampler because I love candles. And some of these brands I actually haven't tried them before, but before I invest any real money in them, I figured this was probably a good way to try out the candles. So Sephora favorites, they have about 5 candles here that are made by the brand. So we're going to go ahead and get into unboxing these right now. If you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. I do weekly unboxings of different subscription boxes and various little hauls. So feel free to like and subscribe so that you can stay up to date with all my latest video postings. And for right now, let's get into our candle sampler by Sephora. And this is one of Sephora's favorites. This cost $50. Your girl had a gift certificate for $25, so she defrayed some of the cost. So we can see what's in this box. Let's see what these candles smell like. So I'm smelling a mixture of candles as soon as I open the box. So let's pull this out so we can into our candles here. So that's how it looks when you pull it out, and they're like almost like votive size, some of them. I'm familiar with some of the names, but I actually have not purchased them before because some of these candles are pretty pricey if you don't know. So Nest, I've seen them in Nordstrom's, the big candles, and I have smelled them. And this is the scent Grapefruit candle. I'm not sure why they put grapefruit in with this holiday box, but okay, whatever. It has the little thing on it, and it's a little votive, as you can see. You definitely smell the grapefruit. It's a very clean scent. And they said this is, what is this? 8.1 ounce. So yeah, pretty tiny, but you know what? I'm wondering how this burns because I love the candles when you light them and the whole room smells like the candle. So even though it's small, I'm wondering how much of a punch that it has. But the cold throw scent is very strong, very clean, smells just like grapefruit. So it'll work. It's fine. It's fine for me. And it says on here, uplift your senses with the best-selling fragrance, which is this grapefruit candle. An exhilarating blend of pink pomelo, grapefruit, and watery green notes with lily of the valley and coriander blossom. So that's our first candle out of here. The next one I'm pulling out is Replica. Now I know Replica makes colognes and perfumes as well. That's like your favorites, and I seen that they had a candle. So this is my first time trying anything with them. So the Replica one here, this one is called Lazy Sunday Morning, and it's Maison. It looks, is this Margiela? This one I ain't a fan. It smells like old lady perfume. It smells like one of them old church ladies. That's what it smells like. That's probably not a good way to describe the candle, but that's the first thought that I had. Lazy Sunday Morning. Sunday at church is what it should have been called. That's what it smells like. It says this candle here, it says reignite your memories and transform the atmosphere of any room with the fresh scent of Lazy Sunday Morning scented candles. The aromatic candle will let you transport yourself back to bed and surround your senses with freshly washed cotton. Experience the joy of waking up with sunbeam on your skin and crumbled sheets. A pure sensation of comfort. I don't know. We'll see how it burns, but I'm telling you, it smells like Sunday morning at church around all the old ladies there. But that's just my opinion. I don't think I'll be purchasing this one. Maybe the next one, but not that one. The next candle we got out of here is the Maison Louis Marie. And this doesn't have a real strong scent at all to me. It says Spanning hundreds of years in its origin, and the Maison Louis Marie is built on a storied family history with sense of nature. It's a very light fragrance. Just smelling a cold throat scent. I'm not sure if it'll be louder when it is burnt, but right now it smells very light. Light and somewhat clean is probably the best way to describe it. It's a hint of something in here I can't put my finger on, but it's a very clean kind of scent to me. So that's one. Let's go on to our next one. The next one they have here is Otherland, and this is a rattan sandalwood vegan candle mini votive. And they have like the little thing in there to hold it in place. What is it about this one? This is this candle will help you drift away and is inspired by sandalwood, bamboo, bungalow, far-flung islands, embroidered caftan, driftwood, leather sandals, and glowing lanterns. That is a lot with the advertising department. It does have like an exotic kind of scent. Like there's a hint of musk or something in here. And it's also like a clean smell. It does have somewhat of an exotic fragrance to it, but not a sweet fragrance. More of like a musk kind of fragrance. Okay. I can't wait to burn that one. And our final candle in this little Sephora favorites is the French Cadet Lavender by Volspa. And I know that these are pretty expensive. Between these and the Nest, I know those are probably the top two expensive ones that I am familiar with anyway. So this is like a little mini votive as well. And this one says, discover new favorite fragrance. Fresh Lavender is a beautiful embossed 1 ounce glass. Best-selling fragrance combines the rustic, woodsy, and herbaceous nature of sun-drenched Provence with an aromatic infusion of lush lavender, rare French Cadet wood, and vivid lemon verbena. Feel the refreshing and calming energy like a breeze of summer day. It smells very clean. Like a shower. Just smells like you just stepped out the shower. Very fresh, clean smell. I would say you smell kind of more of the vanilla-y kind of scent in here and a bit of the lavender, but the lavender is not a loud smell on the cold throw. So guys, this is the 5 minis that we got in this set. I'm going to burn them and see what I think. I've never used them before. $50 for these small ones is a bit much, but we know that some of these candles are very expensive. I have others that I've paid good money for that were way bigger than this, but this is a variation of different brands altogether. So I say it's a good way if you never use that brand to kind of introduce yourself without spending maybe $80 or $100 on one candle and you're not sure if you're going to like it. To me, it's just a great introduction into seeing if I may like these brands. So I also understand you can own a full-size candle. Redeeming certificate is included inside of here. And I believe this is it here, that you can buy one at Sephora. So that's cool too. So you can redeem this and get another candle. So that's cool, guys. So thank you guys very much for sitting here and rocking with me as I went through my little Sephora favorite candle sampler, and I can't wait to start burning these as it's fall, and this is when I really get into burning my candles a lot. So I can't wait to give these all a try, and maybe there'll be some clear winners at the end that maybe I can go purchase. So we'll see. So guys, thanks for watching. Let me know if you guys have tried any of these scents that I mentioned here in this candle sampler and what you thought about the candles. And until next time, guys, I will see you at my next unboxing. Love you, beautifuls. Bye.